speed bald eagle cam. As you can see right here, it's the NA one, and we're gonna be putting on pretty soon, so stick around to hear it. All right, so today's gonna be a different video. We got a 2017 SS Camaro, and today we're gonna be putting on these Morimoto rear tail lights. Do a little outfit. And she has these styles, and she wanted a different style. It's my girl's car, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the install. So first things first, you gotta take off the plastic panel that's on top, which looks like this, which is this one right here. It looks like it has these clips right here. It's not hard to take out. You should probably use a plastic one, but this is all I had. And then you take off another right there. Then you'll be able to pull this back and loosen up the bolts that hold it in. That put this whole housing in. Okay, and then go ahead and loosen those up, and then go ahead and pop it out. And it's pretty hard to pop these out, but don't be scared. Just poop. And I'll get right back to you. So I want to go ahead and remove this plastic trim right here that connects to the panels. Made it a lot easier to remove the tail lights. As you can see, I already got it out. This is the old, and this is the new. And it came in with the aftermarket wire, which has a little module connected to it, and I ran it down there. And now we're just gonna plug it in and bolt it up and test it and see how it looks. Got this one plugged in, and we're testing to make sure it works good. Let's see. Go ahead and take off that wrap so you can see how it looks like. Oh. So much better. I'll show you a better view as soon as we get the other one on. They look like in the daytime. Alright, if y'all liked, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. I'll get more coming out soon.